Hi, I'm Mohammed Alha from Getweys. Today we will be discussing how we can change the GitHub commit names, GitHub commit text, or the author itself. Because like in our careers, we 100% face this issue that we do the GitHub commits and then we see like the name was wrong or the email was wrong or the message itself was wrong in that specific GitHub commit. So in GitHub, we have an option to change that commit name, to change the author name, or to change anything we want within that specific commit, right? This could be due to different reasons that you are seeing a wrong commit because like, for example, you have 3 different projects that you are working on and you have a different like config done on different projects, right? So maybe like some config can affect the other project config as well. And you have now pushed it, you have no other options. Now what you're going to do is like, you need to fix that GitHub commit, which is already pushed as well. That's not in the staging, right? So that's very easy to do. There are only 2 to 3 steps that we require to get this done, right? I will tell you the whole process to complete this all. So we like as we know, to configure our GitHub in global in our computers, we can do these 2 commands. This is just for generalized purposes for your future reference, but like at this point of like where you are standing, where you can't like change the where you have already pushed something, so that won't be useful, but it's better to configure it globally. Now I have this project open up here, and for example, I show you the GitHub commits that I have. So we can see like there are multiple commits. There are, let's say these are the 4 commits that we have, and like this commit, this in the middle, and that's very important. I'm going to tell you the way to edit a commit which is even between multiple commits, right? So if this is a commit that I want to edit, this is fine, I want to keep that. This is fine, I want to keep that. This is the commit that I want to edit, and this is the commit that I don't want to edit. So this is the only commit I want to edit. Or if I want to edit 2 commits which exist in the different places. So let's say one commit is this one, right? Let's keep it here so we remember what was the commit. And one commit was this one, right? So we have these 2 um, commits that we're gonna change, and rest of them are fine. So now we're gonna count the number of commits till the last change have to be made. For example, like if like till here you need to make a change, so you need to count all the commits, not only the commits that needs to be changed. So for example, in our case, only 2 commits needs to be changed, but we're gonna count all. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 commits like that I want to play with. All right. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna type this command, and I'm just gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna replace 2 with 5 or 6 or how many, whatever the number is. It's okay to pick one higher number. That's fine. Like there were 5 commits, you can pick 6. That's not a problem. We are just going to pick based on the things that we're gonna see now. So I said like get rebase, because I'm going to rebase my repo, my branch that I'm working on. I'm going to rebase it because something is already done. Now it's the time to rebase it, right? So I'm gonna say get rebase head 6, which means like I'm going to reset or play around 6 commits. So I'm gonna do this. Now this pop-up will appear. It is asking me which commits do you want to pick or edit or whatever. So most probably I had written this here, which were the 2 commits that I want to edit. So this was the one, fix spelling mistakes. So now if I try to type anything, I cannot, right? And like even if you press the wrong keys, like it has happened with me, one commit have gone, and that's a bad thing. I lost my commit. That's a true bad thing. So we need to like make sure how to fix it now. If I have made any bad thing or any change which should not have been done here, and I have made it. So what I'm gonna do is like I just gonna press escape, and then I'm gonna do this, right? So I'm gonna go to that command again. So now like everything is fine. Okay, so I want to like edit this commit, the get spelling mistakes and this one. So I'm gonna press I 2 times. I have written this here. So we're gonna press I and then I again. So you can edit this now. I'm gonna type edit here. I does mean that you want to edit something. You want to insert something specifically. So I'm gonna pick these 2 comments here. All right, we are good. We don't want to edit any others. Only these 2 commits. We have put them on the edit mode. Now I'm gonna press escape. All right, that's done. Now the insert mode is finished. Like I cannot insert anything now. Now I'm gonna press colon WQ. All right, so it says we are on the rebasing method now. Now it's up to you what you want to do. You want to make any changes, you want to do anything with it. Now, like this is the first commit that I'm on. Like whatever changes I want to make with this commit, like the first commit I want to make changes with. So I'm gonna say I want to change the author name in our case. So let's say I type this git commit amend, and I'm gonna type my name. And my name is Mohammed Alha. And I'm gonna type my email as well. m.alhassi@gmail.com. That's it. I press enter. Now it's even asking me, do you want to change the text? Do you want to make any edits to the text, the commit message that you have wrote? Do you want to make any edits there? No, I don't want to make any edits there. So I'm gonna press escape and WQ again. All right, it says good. It's the time like where you have changed this author name, right? So that's the first step that we did. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say get rebase continue. Okay. So what rebase continue means is like you are done with that commit change. Like whatever you wanted to make to that first commit, like whatever change you wanted to make, you have done that. Now I had picked 2 commits, right? So I need to make the changes to the second commit now. So the way I do it is like I tell Git to like continue the rebasing. The first commit is fine. Let's go to the second. So how I go to the second with this command, git rebase minus minus continue. Now I'm gonna put the same command again. I'm just gonna type arrow up key. I will just press the arrow up key 2 times. It will just um take me to the command that I had wrote. So I'm gonna press this again. It's again asking me, do you want to make any changes to this commit or anything like that, any message or something? I just gonna say colon WQ. So okay, that's pretty much good. Now I'm gonna say continue. I'm done with this commit as well. This is where the magic begins. Now we are successfully rebased. It's done. We are on the branch itself now. The branch was YouTube demo, and the branch is that's the branch right now. Now, if I show you the magic, if I do git log now, do you see my name in this commit? Here, there's my name. Sorry. And you will see my name here as well. Looks good. I haven't pushed it yet. I will show you the repo as well. So you can see like we have all the commits with one name, with Faraz's name. Now if I try to push git push origin YouTube demo, it will give me an error. Why? Because I'm trying to rebase something. So I cannot push it like this. I have to force it, right? I have to force that, yeah, I want to push it. Because like something is done wrong. So I want to push to fix my mistake. So what I'm gonna do is like git push origin YouTube demo. minus F, which means to force the push that you are doing. Make sure before you run this command, you have run this git log and seen that, yeah, everything is fine, because git push origin force does forces the changes, and you might lose some code if you do the wrong things. Now what we are going to do is we're going to push this change and force it that I want to push it any case. So now we will wait for it to like continue, and you will see all the names here will be changed. In the meanwhile, I'm going to tell you, you can also press like minus minus force command as well. That does the same thing. Minus F and minus minus force is the same thing. It's both are used for forcing a git push. And then there is one more important thing. Not many times, like you might have faced that your GitHub commits are not verified. So normally when the GitHub commits are verified, you will see a verified tag here. Like here you will see a verified tag. So the way it's done is like with the JPG keys. If you haven't like seen this, if that's not your problem, that's fine. Just leave it. But if your commits are not verified and you want to verify it, you can do the same process. Like you can run all the same steps, but don't run this. Like you don't need to change the author name. You just need to change the amend, no edit, minus S, which means to verify your commit without any changes to the commit itself, just verifying a commit. And then like you can do the same steps again, git rebase, continue, then again git commit amend, no edit. So that's how you can like sign your commit. All right, looks like it's pushed. Let's try it now. Boom, it's done. We can see like 2 commits have my name. This is my profile, and like we can see like these commits are there now. So everything looks fine, everything looks clean. That's what we wanted to do. So that's how you can do the steps. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up.